The math-solving revolution starts to break out in Vietnam, America. Author Le Man Dung, Vietnam, 72 years old. Own 25 math programming books from grade 1 to university, college on Amazon.com, USA. Copyrighted 13 books, including Math 12. Copyright registration in Vietnam on the 30th of June 2023. The math-solving revolution starts to break out in Vietnam, America. Learn 1 Know 10. Child greater than father is a happy house, happy country. Traditional solutions. Learn 1 Know 1. Program solution. Learn 1 Know 10. Simple, easy, fun, effective. The math-solving revolution starts to break out in Vietnam, America. Training Math 12 students to do software by themselves. Math 12 according to the Vietnamese-style algorithm. Simple, easy, fun, effective. Surprise and amaze the world. The math-solving revolution starts to break out in Vietnam, America. Not surprising. Plus no programming language is used. Plus write it yourself. Use it yourself and even share it to the world full of technology. Plus even children from first grade can do it. Plus the world today only has 72-year-old Dung Vietnamese people own this masterpiece. The math-solving revolution starts to break out in Vietnam, America. Who is Mr. Le Man Dung? Plus graduated from Hanoi University of Mathematical Education, Vietnam since 1976. Plus informatics engineer at Hanoi Open University, Vietnam in 1997. Plus mathematical programming from Pascal language, then Delphi to Microsoft C#.net. The math-solving revolution starts to break out in Vietnam, America. Plus, although the above programming languages are very good and classy, not everyone can learn and do them. The world still has a lot of people doing math and teaching but also poor. Plus students too, save money to study successfully. Plus where is the money that they pursue software engineering? Plus after they write it down, who will buy from them? The math-solving revolution starts to break out in Vietnam, America. So is Mr. Le Man Dung so talented? Plus Mr. Dung doesn't have much talent because he has 2 university degrees. But he doesn't have a master's or doctorate degree. Plus he is not as conservative as the 72-year-olds of his time. Plus he always thinks positively. What does it take to help children learn math around the world less hard, suffering because of lack of education? The math-solving revolution starts to break out in Vietnam, America. What does Mr. Le Man Dung think? Plus Mr. Dung gave up mathematical programming to make software in C#.net. Although it was more or less successful, but it was still expensive, and who bought the product? Most are still poor. Plus he worked hard to find a mathematical programming solution based only on algorithms, regardless of any programming language, even though it is free. The math-solving revolution starts to break out in Vietnam, America. And he succeeded because plus he persisted in following the chosen path of creating his own programming language, his own Vietnam, his hometown. Plus he was sponsored by the supreme beings in the universe to have health and a mathematical civilization in outer space. Plus no wonder there are conservative mathematicians they don't understand, while young children understand his programming problems are simple, easy, interesting, effective. The math-solving revolution starts to break out in Vietnam, America. The rest of Mr. Le Man Dung's life is devoted to the development of programming mathematics in Vietnam, the United States and the rest of the world. When he returns to the other world tomorrow, Mr. Le Man Dung will leave his fortune by selling 25 mathematical programming books as annual gifts to disadvantaged students around the world, all countries, all regions, territories, especially Africa, part of Asia, and part of Latin America, still poor. Each export 1,000 USD. Amazon deposited it on his behalf in the U.S. government's federal bank for gift-giving profit. The math-solving revolution starts to break out in Vietnam, America. Mr. Le Man Dung believes that, plus with my own efforts, the support of the supreme being in the universe, with the support of civilized mathematics in the universe, we will definitely achieve our goals, plus update math software of Vietnam. Mr. Le Man Dung will shine around the world. That day is not far away. Plus the math software self-writing championship contest initiated by Vietnam plus the United States will become a reality around the world not far away. Plus contribute more 62 mathematical programming books edited by Mr. Le Man Dung plus a team of disciples with university degrees or above help with their names and receive royalties 1/2 of these 62 books. The math-solving revolution starts to break out in Vietnam, America. 12 math illustration on the tablet, on the phone smart, paperback book. The math-solving revolution starts to break out in Vietnam, America. Inspiring mathematics. Solve math problems with programming. Extraterrestrial mathematical civilization space. Math 12 weeks 1. Topic refer to 12th grade university entrance exam problems. College in Vietnam. High school. Future math solving technology. Simple, easy, fun, effective. The math-solving revolution starts to break out in Vietnam, America. Author's dedication to students Math 12 worldwide. I dedicate the Grade 12 Math Workbook. Solving Math by Programming, Mathematical Civilization in Space to young people around the world. You will be the owner of peace, happiness and prosperity in the future. May you receive the power of the cosmic mathematical civilization for the economic success of yourself, your family, your country and the world. Humanity all over our dear planet. The math-solving revolution starts to break out in Vietnam, America. Day 6. Sample exercise. Solve math by programming. Let x, y, z be positive real. Consists of parts. 1. Algorithm. 2. Traditional solutions. 3. Program solution. 4. Replicating. 5. Mind map. 6. Creative inspiration. The math-solving revolution starts to break out in Vietnam, America. Day 6. Sample exercise. Solve math by programming. Let x, y, z be positive real. 1. Algorithms. The key to successfully solving an exercise. White hat thinking. Put on your white thinking hat to discover algorithms. Prove the inequality using the vector method. Use properties of vectors. The math-solving revolution starts to break out in Vietnam, America. Day 6. Sample exercise. Solve math by programming. Let x, y, z be positive real. 2. Traditional solution. Specific algorithms to solve problems in a scientific and logical way. Green hat thinking. Put on the green thinking hat to explore the traditional solution. The math-solving revolution starts to break out in Vietnam, America. Day 6. Sample exercise. Solve math by programming. Let x, y, z be positive real. 3. Program solution. Based on traditional algorithms or solutions to solve problems rewritten with the same letters as the given one. That requires your creativity, logic and rationality. Yellow hat thinking. Put on your yellow thinking hat to discover. Program solution. The math-solving revolution starts to break out in Vietnam, America. Day 6. Sample exercise. Solve math by programming. Let x, y, z be positive real. 4. Replicating. Develop a series of similar problems by giving a lot. Yellow hat thinking. Put on your yellow thinking hat to explore replicating. Math-solving revolution starts to break out in Vietnam, America. Day 6. Sample exercise. Solve math by programming. Let x, y, z be positive real. Lots of duplicated exercises. Thanks to the programming page. The math-solving revolution starts to break out in Vietnam, America. 5. Mind map. To create or match the first problem of a new higher level. Think dark green hat. Put on your dark blue thinking hat to explore the mind map. Programmatically solve the following exercises. Let x, y, z, t be positive real numbers such that x plus y plus z plus t less than equals 1. Prove that. For master, let x, y, z be positive real numbers such that x plus y plus z less than equals 1. Prove that. The math-solving revolution starts to break out in Vietnam, America. 6. Creative inspiration. You can express your comments about the process recently. Red hat thinking. Put on your red thinking hat to discover creative inspiration. Plus, you can develop your first X with actions, algorithm, solution, programming, replicating, mind mapping, inspiration. Plus, the algorithm has the key to solve this problem. Plus, traditional solutions. You are the one who learns how to solve. Plus, program solution. You are the referrer. Plus, replicating. You can choose any X according to the previous program. Plus, mind mapping is the way you can choose to form a programming style that includes many X's from the very beginning. Plus, creative inspiration is a feeling. The math-solving revolution starts to break out in Vietnam, America. In today's world, people are interested in problem-solving programmatically, quantitatively, programmatically and by offloading. Part of the quintessence of mathematics is solved by machines, by software in programming languages of their own creation and creation. But for the vast majority of humanity, they still solve math problems manually, because of the boring math problems of students. Mathematical civilization Outer Earth supports world math, scattered defects, no one controls. No centralized software database for unified management. Some self-programming exercises. Need to carefully see pages 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. The math-solving revolution starts to break out in Vietnam, America. 6. Practice maths. Prove any equality. Let x, y, z be positive real numbers satisfy x plus y plus c less than equals 1. Prove that. The math-solving revolution starts to break out in Vietnam, America. Buy books now. Buy one-year course online only $200 US. Free learners $50 US, 25%. There is $150 US for The math-solving revolution starts to break out in Vietnam, America. Buy books now. Buy one-year course online only $200 US. Free learners $50 US, 25%. There is $150 US for training. And how much for the book plus exam? The math-solving revolution starts to break out in Vietnam, America. Buying guide for Maths 12. Week 1, live on Amazon.com. Type in the browser, www.amazon.com. Plus type in the search box. Solve math by programming, grade 12. The math-solving revolution starts to break out in Vietnam, America. Buying Guide for Maths 12. Week 1. Live on Amazon.com. Type in the browser www.amazon.com. Plus type in the search box Solve Math by Programming. Grade 12. The math-solving revolution starts to break out in Vietnam, America. Programming Championship International Math, elementary, middle, and high school classes in 2024, written in English, will be held for the first time. The math-solving revolution starts to break out in Vietnam, America. Plus conditions for applying must be a good student, good at math in grade 11, plus ethics, good conduct. The math-solving revolution starts to break out in Vietnam, America. Plus all contact with the teacher via email. crawled11052023@gmail.com. Plus remember to visit the website www.lamonding.com. Plus goodbye parents and children. Good success, or wish you great success.